Okay, so this is a virtual band. It's part of a collaborative music project that we started last year. We asked musicians from all over the world to submit videos of themselves playing a part that they composed to a song that we shared.
And this inspired the idea to create a similar platform for music education that would allow kids to collaborate with each other, with amazing musicians that inspire them and build their own virtual bands.
When we build this into a scalable tablet app-based platform, it's going to look something like this. This is Zayden's virtual band. And Zayden's learning how to play piano in class. And with the help of her teacher, she's going to compose her own part, record it on video, manipulate the sound, and build a virtual band around that. So there she is. And she's going to work with her classmate Mia Zaire, who's learning how to play violin, and they're going to record her and add her there too. But Zayden's not really inspired by the drums or the bass from the kids in her class, so she's going to go onto our virtual band database, and she goes into the drum section, and there's a list of drummers from all over Los Angeles, all these other kids from other schools that she would never have had contact with, and she gets to choose through them and find a beat that she likes, contact that kid and add it into her virtual band. And she'll do the same for the bass, and then she's going to get Otis Hayes, who's a world-class musician, to play vibes with her. And then there's this last box. Wouldn't it be cool if that was a real rock star? Somebody world famous, like maybe Macklemore. Or how about somebody local, playing the bass, like Flea? Seriously, the possibilities are kind of amazing.
We in the CAP program and at California Institute of the Arts are very excited to work with the Play with Music program and to be part of this new innovative experiment in teaching music to young people in Los Angeles. Not only because of the new technologies it will bring, but also for the fact that they'll be able to connect with each other across the diverse neighborhoods of Los Angeles, across socioeconomic levels, and work together to create new forms of music.
Part of our effort to rebuild the Lock Band program is to establish a rigorous and measurable curriculum. And working with innovative programs like Play with Music will really accelerate the goals that we have for rebuilding this program and establishing a platform for the future.
I'm just really excited that the kids are going to have this opportunity. Socioeconomics is not going to be the limiting factor for participation, and it's democracy and education at its finest.
I have a friend who wants to be a musician, and when you have a program like Play with Music, that can really open doors for them and take them to a world that they'd never think that they would be able to make it to.
Our goal is to make music education relevant, to incorporate modern tech skills, and to put the play back into music class.